Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Discord to Spotify. So first of all, open Discord apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Tap onto profile, look at the right corner, tap onto setting icon, click on this, click on add, select Spotify, look at this dashboard, click on your email or username and type here your password, and then finally click on to login, then successfully connect Discord to Spotify. So that's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.